more pet owners are taking pet care very seriously these days. In fact, they have become very meticulous when it comes to their pets' safety, health, and security. This is why leaving their pets just anywhere has become a dilemma for some pet owners. The question is, where can they keep their pets for a short time and be assured that they will be safe? Well, how about a doggy daycare? Along Julia Vargas Avenue in Ortigas Center, a doggy daycare called Pooch Park is now open for your beloved canine friend. You heard right! Pooch Park brings pet store service to the next level. They accept all kinds of dogs for boarding. They have nice and clean playpens, and most important of all, they assure dog owners that their pets get tender, loving care.
I really want to maintain a very clean and safe environment for the dogs because I personally have dogs. And ayoko yung pagpunta mo sa isang lugar, pagbalik mo may mga nakasakay na sa kanya, ganyan. Ayoko ng ganun. So, I make it sure na safe for the customers and the dogs yung pagpunta rito. If ever may umihi or nagpoo dito, meron kaming staff na talagang punas kaagad, linis kaagad, and then disinfect kaagad.
Alright, hands, alright. Special creatures need special care. But that doesn't mean that quality service has to be expensive.
Before, yun yung notion na high-end, dapat pag pinasok dito, pedigreed, pure breed, ganyan. Pero ako, kahit native dog is yung askal na tinatawag mo. Native dog, pasok mo dito, we will groom it, we will train it. Kasi pareho lang dapat ang treatment natin sa native dog at saka sa pedigree dog.
Come one, come all, says Oliver. And he says doggies can choose to stay for just an hour or for days on end. The rates are 50 pesos for an hour, 80 pesos for 2 hours, 100 pesos for 3 hours. A mere 25 pesos will be charged for each succeeding hour. And for overnight boarding, it only costs 400 pesos.
For example, galing ka sa bahay mo, dala mo yung aso, then you have to do an errand. What is 100 pesos? Kaysa naman ibalik mo yung aso sa bahay, tapos balik ka uli sa gagawin mo. Sa gas pa lang ngayon, taas-taas na.
Oo, ubos na.
Diba?
Hindi sana
ubos na.
nagbayad ka na.
Oo, masaya pa yung aso na nakasama siya sa lakwatsa.
Not only does it serve as a temporary home away from home, Pooch Park offers other services such as socialization classes, basic dog training, grooming, and doggy spas. Galing, di ba?
Sila yung mga naka-stop over sa amin, pinapa-daycare. They just had their nap, ngayon kakagising lang. Kapag nagsa-stop over, or lalo yung mga boarding, we require them to bring the vaccination records. So, make sure namin na yung aso mo vaccinated.
And now, for the first time on Philippine television, Honest TV Shopping is proud to present the first doggy makeover.
Una is yung bathing. We use shampoos that are made for dogs. We don't use yung sa human kasi iba yung pH level ng aso sa tao.
Ta-da! A new look for hands. Pooch Park even sells a wide variety of dog necessities like dog food.
Yung human cow's milk sa dogs. But may lactose kasi yun. And sometimes dogs cannot digest. So nagda-diarrhea. Ako kasi mismo nagpipili ng mga stuff eh. So I make sure na practical at saka affordable. Tapos maganda yung quality.
Meron ding mga doggy goodies.
Medium Shanghai.
Kakaibang design ng mga dog food. At take note, may value meals pa. At syempre, di mawawala ang mga hair accessories for the Kikay dogs. At kung ano-ano pang dog pampering essentials.
Combs, nail clippers, mga leash, collars, food bowls, and yung toothbrush.
Talagang one-stop shop para sa mga discerning dog owners.
Honestly, this daycare facility is easy to imitate. But the thing is, the passion for dogs. I have dogs, I love dogs. So, ang tendency is, this is not just a business. So, you can come here, ask me about anything about dogs. I'll answer you. I won't charge you for it. If ever the customer comes here, Oliver, meron ba kayong vaccination, ganyan, or may problema yung aso ko? I can recommend the vet.
So now, Man's Best Friend has a tambayan anytime you need it. And dito sa Pooch Park, you can be sure that they offer quality service. Honest yan.
You can visit Pooch Park at Unit 181, Auto Depot Building, Julia Vargas Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. Or call them at 910-5036 or at 0922-966-3320.